To show or hide knocking sound notifications pop up in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe the notification panel and then the settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Select hearing enhancements. Tap sound notifications, and then select settings. Tap sound notifications are paused. If you turn off sound notification and it turn on sound notification, tap sound notification are active, and then you must turn on left transcript and sound notification first. If off, tap sound notification switch until blue to turn on, and then select knocking, and then to show knocking sound notification as pop up, tap show as pop up switch until blue to show as pop up, or tap switch until white to hide pop up. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.